Michael Palmer of Group 1 Trading joins us now for the Trader Rundown. And Michael, nice to have you here. You're actually a VIX pit options trader from just behind us, so thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
What kind of theme are you seeing in this market here?
As far as volatility goes, we saw a big pop in volatilities in late last year. We really started with what we saw as the 10-year yield, or yields in general, just climbing across the board dramatically. We actually saw the 10-year yield move about 60 basis points from the middle of October until about Christmas. And as everybody knows, we had a hugely volatile December and early January. But since then, the guidance from the Fed has more or less been, we are not going to be raising rates anytime soon. That's taken a lot of the volatility out of the market. The rates were really driving where volatility was coming from. And generally speaking, there's no catalyst in the horizon that says that we're going to see a big movement in volatility.
Well, that's the next question. Yeah, some people are looking for the next big move up or down in the stock market, but you're not seeing any signals yet.
No, I'm not seeing any signals, but we're kind of almost both sides of the rates conversation kind of lead in the same place. And that is, when we saw rates going up, people were saying this is going to make business more expensive to conduct, and that could be bad for the economy. Now that we're seeing rates not going higher, people are saying that's a sign that there is bad news in the economy ahead. So both versions of it, people kind of tempering their expectations for the economic output the rest of the year. And that could create a problem in the market. As of right now, there's no signs of it, though.
Are you seeing people coming in and taking advantage of the low VIX to buy options to protect themselves?
You know, that's a great question. And usually what we see is somewhat counterintuitive, and that is, as the VIX gets to these lower values, about 13.5 now, we see people doing low capital outlay trades to take advantage if the VIX does move. That means that they buy these options for 20 cents, 15 cents, those far out of the money calls. And that's the strategies they want in this environment. They do not put a lot of conviction that volatility will pop, even when it's at these low levels. That conviction usually comes when we're at higher levels.
We will be watching. Thank you so much for coming on the show today.
Thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.